Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 403. Let's make note of the time. It is now 11:06 p.m. on September 27th Eastern Standard Time, and the last team would have sold at 11 p.m., which would have been Winnipeg. This is for one box of extended retail, and it happens to be box 9 of 20, all from the same sealed case of inner retail. And the serial number you see there was listed in all 31 teams on eBay, and we'll be sure to show that serial number before we open up the box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer. That's the YouTube channel, so you can easily be notified when box breaks are posted. If you didn't or you don't worry. I always email the link via eBay email. All right, let's just go over the rules because there are a few new people here. And again, let's pick on my buddy Bizik, only because he's been with me forever, and he's a great guy. He owns the Anaheim Ducks. In this case, he owns more, but let's just pretend he only owns the Anaheim Ducks. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 21 hits. 3 packs have no hits. That's just the general what's been happening lately. And I'm going to set the hit aside. Generally, there's 1 hit per pack. If there are any Anaheim Duck hits, I'm going to mail them to Bizik 1978 to whatever his eBay shipping address is on file. Please make sure your shipping address is up to date and correct, because that's what I use to ship out. In the unfortunate event that there are no Anaheim Duck cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Bizik because there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents for the team, but that is a small collection from everybody to help with the amount of product that needs to go out for extended retail. All right, guys, email me with any questions you have. And again, if you do have a package coming to you, please be patient. Your package will arrive. COVID is still slowing things down, but it is getting a little bit better. All right, guys, let's get to it. Bizik 1978 has the Ducks, the Bruins, the Red Wings, the Predators, and the Flyers. Brandon Larson 19 has the Jackets and the Stars. Sipe 6995 has the Kings, the Senators, the Penguins, the Lightning, and the Vancouver Canucks. Fast Forward Fish II has the Panthers, the Leafs, and the Capitals. Great Fab has the Blues. Randy Madams has the Vegas Knights. Sasha 6940 has the Coyotes, the Flames, the Devils, the Islanders, the Sharks, and the Winnipeg Jets. Sergeant B has the Sabres, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Avalanche, the Oilers, the Canadiens, the New York Rangers. And rounding us out, Sheber 5349 has the Minnesota Wild. All right. Serial number ending in 348041 as it was advertised on your eBay. Let's show that first before we crack this open. 348041 as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. The first break of the week. If you look at the rest of the week, we have more extended of the same case going out, and Allure, which is a lot of fun product. There is a lot of hits in there, guys, and a lot of hidden Easter eggs. So hope to see you guys in future breaks there. All right, guys, here we go. 24 packs of fun. Let's see what we have in store for us tonight. Our first hit is a Jake Ottinger for your Dallas Stars. Congratulations, Victory Upper Deck, Victory Update Ultimate Rookie. And we do go through the dead packs in case there's a French variant or a suit variant, but generally it stands out just like that. Not bad. Dylan Cousins for your Buffalo Sabres. Orange Dazzler. And the orange ones are only found in retail, so they're not bad to find. Young gun incoming for your San Jose Sharks. Sasha Kemalevsky. Congratulations to the Sharks, hitting our first young gun of the box. And right away, we hit the retro rookie in the form of Liam Foudy for your Columbus Blue Jackets. Congratulations, hitting the retro. Good player and not a bad card. There's generally one per box. One box we got lucky, we got two. Who knows? May happen again tonight. These cards are all sticking together for some reason. Young gun incoming for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Drew O'Connor. Congratulations to Pittsburgh. Orange Dazzler for your St. Louis Blues, Torrey Krug. And that is the old style St. Louis Blues uniform. Just going to hit the cursor so we don't time out. Cards are sticking together, not sure why, boys. And this is our first dead pack. Like I said, there's 3 of them per box. That has been the experience so far. We have a Kirill Kaprizov Holo FX. Congratulations to the Wild. It's always nice when you hit a decent rookie in the Holo FX variation. Again sticking, but Young Gun incoming for your Vegas Golden Knights, Jake Bischoff. Congratulations to Vegas. Alright, the pack is being difficult. We'll just go gently this way. And we have a Carter Hart Retro for your Philadelphia Flyers. And our second dead pack. We'll just double check the numbers. Yeah. Well, they're really jammed together. I'm not sure what happened here. And our third dead pack. It's like the dead packs were like sticking together. Young Gun incoming for your New Jersey Devils, Nolan Foote. Or that whole row seems to be jammed every time I grab from there. We have a retro, not bad, Jacob Markstrom in the retro Calgary Flame uniform. Congratulations, Calgary. And it does happen where we hit a fourth dead pack, which seems to be the case here. And we have a rookie class, Dylan Cousins. Congratulations to the Sabres once again. Such a young kid. Hopefully he can do something over there in Buffalo. They've stripped Jack Eichel of his captaincy. Logan Stanley, Young Guns for your Winnipeg Jets. Oh, not bad. Alexander Romanov, Holo FX. So we're getting the good Holo FX variations. Again, this is only box 9. Box 10, 11, and 12. And 13, I believe, go this week. Another dead pack. We're going to just make sure that there's no variant in the middle here. Elias Peterson is not a variant. Neither is Mark Giordano. Wow. A few more dead packs than anticipated. But with retail, you never know. And then we have a rookie class, Alex Lafreniere. Congratulations to the Rangers. Not a bad rookie. Young gun, Cameron Hillis for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations. Rookie class, Matthias Brome for your Detroit Red Wings. We got to focus here. There we go. 2 packs to go. And then we'll sign off with the time. We'll go back to the desktop. We have an ovation for your Carolina Hurricanes, Andrei Shevchenko. Congratulations to Carolina. Final pack. We end with a Mitch Marner Ultimate Victory for your Toronto Maple Leafs. And there you have it, ladies and gents. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Not a bad box. And have a good night. Oh, first let's sign off the time. I forget that is the new style. We are now at 11:18 p.m. September 27th. Now I'll sign off saying thank you and hope to see you tomorrow night.